Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can create a mailing list on Gmail. In order to do that, we will also use Google Contacts. So on the top right corner, we want to click on these three dots over here and find Contacts. We will open a new page where we will find all contacts that we have saved, for instance, through our Gmail account. If some email address is not included, we can create a contact over here on the left side and choose Create a Contact. We can fill this in, provide the email address, and then quickly save. We can also create multiple contacts if needed, so we can add names, email addresses, or both, and then click create. Going back to contacts, in order to create the mailing list, we will also use labels. Labels will be used to group these contacts. So let's click this plus icon to create label. Let's name our label. So I'm gonna name it my group as an example, and then let's save. Now we need to add to my group email addresses that I want to use for this group. So in other words, this is now we are creating the mailing list. So on the right side of the contact that we hover, we want to click on more actions, and then over here we have change labels section where you can select to which labels this contact should belong to. So I'm gonna choose my group, and there we go, it is selected. I'm gonna also select the other contact that I have over here and add it to my group as well. Now in my group I have two contacts here. After creating the group, or in other words the mailing list, we can go back to our Gmail and then let's compose a message. Now when we have two, instead of typing email addresses individually, we can enter the name of that label that we just created. So in my case, I want to type my group. And now, as you can see, I have been suggested by Gmail to use this label. If I click on my group, I will immediately use all contacts that belong to that group. So like I said, instead of writing every email address individually, I can quickly use the name of the label from Google Contacts and use it as the mailing list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.